Good morning class. Today I'm going to explain you about compounds. What is a compound? A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined in a fixed proportion by mass. For example, water H2O is made up of two elements hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed proportion of 1 is to 8 by mass. Now what is the meaning of 1 is to 8 by mass? Let us take atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. H2 is to O is 2 is to 16 or 1 is to 8. Another example is sodium chloride, that is NaCl. It is a compound made up of elements sodium and chlorine. Let us take one example to understand the properties of a compound. When a mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder is heated, a black compound known as iron sulfide is formed. If a magnet is put in an iron sulfide compound, iron does not separate it from sulfur. This means that iron sulfide compound cannot be separated into its constituents by physical method. We can say that a compound cannot be separated into its component by physical method. Next, that is when dilute sulfuric acid is added to iron sulfide compound, we get a colorless foul smell gas called hydrogen sulfide. No hydrogen gas is formed. This means that iron sulfide does not show the properties of iron present in it. Even the sulfur which is present in iron sulfide cannot be dissolved by carbon disulfide. This means that iron sulfide compound does not show the properties of sulfur too. This shows that the properties of a compound are entirely different from those of its constituent element. Now, iron sulfide compound is prepared by heating together iron filling and sulfur. Once the reaction starts, a lot of heat and light are produced during the preparation of iron sulfide compound. From this we can conclude that energy in the form of heat, light is usually either given out or absorbed during a preparation of compound. It means that the formation of compound is a chemical change. Now, iron sulfide compound is prepared by heating together, that is 7 parts by mass of iron and 4 parts by mass of sulfur, that is atomic mass of iron is 56, atomic mass of sulfur is 32. It means that 56 is to 32 and it is 7 is to 4. It means that the iron sulfide compound is always made up of same element iron and sulfur combined together in a fixed proportion by mass. Since the composition of iron sulfide compound is fixed, it has a definite formula. It means that the composition of compound is fixed, the constituents are present in a fixed proportion by mass. Iron sulfide compound melts at a definite temperature. From this we can conclude that a compound has a fixed melting point and boiling point. Now, if a iron sulfide compound is viewed through a magnifying glass, no separate particles of iron or sulfur are seen and it appears to be just the same throughout its mass. From this we can conclude that a compound is a homogeneous substance. Thank you.